everyone, mabuhay! Welcome to our virtual tour guide of Cagayan province. I am Pritzian Kate Ganzon, your friendly virtual tour guide from Always Traveling Tour. And today we'll explore some of the most stunning and meaningful destination in northern Luzon, a place that perfectly combines nature, history, and faith. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey through the wonders of Cagayan. Our first stop brings us to the beautiful town of Peña Blanca, a home to the world-famous Callao Cave. And as we enter these breathtaking natural wonders, you'll notice its dramatic limestone formation that has been shaped nature over millions of years. And the cave has 7 chambers, and inside the first one, you'll find a small chapel built beneath a natural skylight, and when the sunlight streams through the opening above, it creates a magical glow, making the place look like a natural cathedral. But Callao is not just about its beauty, it also carries great historical and scientific significance. In 2007, archaeologists discovered the human of the Callao man, now identified as the Homo luzonensis, one of the earliest human species in the Philippines. Next on our journey is to the northeastern tip of Cagayan, to the breathtaking Palawi Island in the town of Santa Ana. Palawi is a protected landscape and seascape known for its unspoiled beauty. Lush forests, white sand beaches, and the crystal clear water. It's truly paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. And one of the most iconic landmarks is the Cape Lighthouse, built during the Spanish colonial period. From the top of the hill, visitors are rewarded with a panoramic view of the Baguian Channel and the Dos Hermanas Islands. And one fun fact about Palawi Island is once served as a filming location for the international TV show Survivor USA. That just shows how world-class this hidden treasure of Cagayan really is. For our last destination, we head to the heart of Tuguegarao City to visit the St. Peter Metropolitan Cathedral. It is the one of the most largest, beautiful churches in northern Luzon. This cathedral, built during the 18th century by Dominicans, stands as a masterpiece of Spanish colonial architecture. And inside the grand altar and high ceiling create an atmosphere of peace and reverence. It serves as the seat of the Tuguegarao and remains a centerpiece of worship and many faithful. And the St. Peter Metropolitan Cathedral is more than just a religious landmark. It is a symbol of the province's enduring faith and cultural heritage. And that concludes our virtual journey around the beautiful province of Cagayan. Today, we marveled at the natural wonders of Calao Cave, the pristine paradise of Palawi Island, and the historical and spiritual of St. Peter Metropolitan Cathedral. This destination reminds us that Cagayan is not just a place of beauty, but a land where nature, history, and faith come together in a perfect harmony. Thank you so much for joining me in this virtual adventure. Once again, I am Pritzian Kiganzon, your tour guides from Always Traveling Tour saying Mabbalo, which means thank you in Ibanag. Until next time.